When it comes to massive capability, Rubicon and Unlimited Rubicon have the brawn. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon and Unlimited Rubicon boast best-in-class approach and departure angles, best-in-class ground clearance, solid front and rear axles, locking differentials, huge tires, steel plate underbody armor, and a 4-to-1 low range for great off-road capability. The heavy-duty rock rails aren't solely for the appearance of the vehicle. They're bolted directly to the frame for added strength and durability when sliding over rocks and boulders. Flip a switch and Rubicon disengages its standard front sway bar when driving under 18 miles per hour in four-wheel drive low mode. Because everyone deserves a Jeep mountaintop experience, Rubicon seats 4 passengers, and Unlimited Rubicon offers 5-passenger seating. Standard on the Rubicon is a 3.8-liter SMPI V6 engine, Rock-Track 4-wheel drive, True-Lock front and rear electronic locking differentials, and 32-inch tall BF Goodwrench mud terrain tires. The 2011 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Hard to the core. Mile One Hall Chrysler Jeep Dodge. Shop the largest selection and the lowest price on the lot or on the web. Mile One Hall Chrysler Jeep Dodge. Conveniently located at 3152 Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach. Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people.